Let's take a look at the schedule together. We finished up week 9, during which you made your original post on the Disney board, and now we're in week 10 when you're doing your replies. And it's the usual procedure. You make your original post by the deadline, and then anytime during the second week, you can go in and make your replies. I don't hold you responsible for replying to people who didn't make an original post or posted late. So you don't have to worry about original posts coming in the second week and you being obligated to reply to those. Again, if you're in the board and someone posted late, it's nice to reply, but I don't hold you responsible to do that. Now, if you did miss the first deadline, go ahead and make your original post late. There will be a point reduction for that, but better to post late than not at all. And I do expect you to make all your replies, even if you made your original post late. Okay, best thing to do is to make that original post on time and make those replies on time. Check the task list for what's required in those posts. There are specific things required in your replies, so make sure you're checking that to make sure you meet all of the assignment requirements. Okay, now I'd like to look ahead a little bit to week 12. Week 12 is when the leadership paper is due. This paper requires you to interview someone, and it is a pretty comprehensive project. It's not the kind of thing you can write the night before it's due. Okay, it's going to take a little forethought and planning, and it's best when it's executed step by step. So if you are not already underway with that project, you need to get underway as soon as possible. If you have any questions or concerns about it, let's talk. Send me an email with your question, or we can meet over WebEx. Go back and read the instructions for that project. Make sure you know what you're in for and plan a timeline to get it all done on time. Okay, now if you do request a WebEx meeting with me, I'm happy to do that. All I ask is that if you make the appointment, you keep the appointment. I've been stood up a few times and it's very frustrating because my schedule is really full and a lot of times I'm squeezing those meetings in between other things. I might have rushed home or rushed to my office to be at my computer at the appointed time, and then when the student doesn't show up at all. I know emergencies happen, but it feels very disrespectful when the student doesn't turn up and doesn't email me or anything. So all I ask is if you do make an appointment, please keep it. Okay, I wish you a wonderful week and I'll talk to you very soon. Bye-bye.